There we go. What's going on, guys? So today is Tuesday, September 8th. It's about 10:30 a.m. right now, and this is actually going to be my first fishing video that I'm going to make, and I'm going to be consistent again. Some things that come up in the past, I wasn't able to make fishing videos, but now I should be back and be able to be consistent. So today is day one of that. I have some soft plastics with me, some jig heads, as well as my ultralight tackle box. So I really just want to catch some fish and be out in nature, man. But let's go ahead and get started. All right, cast number one. Haven't fished in a while. Haven't fished consistently in a while, but I got hopes. I got some fish following it. So I can see some small sunfish over there, but my casting is off. Every time it hits the water, they're going up to it, and then they just go away. It'd be nice to be treated with a good first day officially back. That's better. Oh, there we go. Fish number one. Doesn't look big, doesn't feel big, but fish number one. And what do we got? A shiner. All right. Fish number one didn't get skunked on the first day back. All right, put myself in a little bit better position to cast since I apparently suck at casting now. I might need to change out lures. I wanted to start with this just because it's a fun lure to use, little jointed crankbait. But nothing seems that interested in it other than the one shiner so far. May need to switch to a little soft plastic. There's normally fish over there. Let's see if I can, cast in the correct area, but in that general direction, there's normally some fish hanging out. But it looks super shallow right now, so I don't know. All right, one more cast over here. And then switch spots. All right, moving spots. So this spot is actually changed a little bit, but it's not too different. I'm gonna start off right here. All these branches are new, completely damming up this area, making it a bit deeper. If I don't get any bites over here, I'm gonna switch out lures to a soft plastic. All right, I saw something, looked like a small bass. Let's see if I'll come hit this. Oh, over the branch. Nothing once this. Only two casts in, I'm saying that. At least at this spot. Oh, there's something. I gotta switch out lures. There's like a bunch of tiny sunfish probably over here. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch out lures. I started with this Rebel Rainbow crankbait. It's a little ultralight jointed crankbait, but I'm gonna go ahead and switch out. I've actually had this lure since I lived in Maryland, and I actually got this stuck in my finger one day while hooking a bluegill. You can see it's missing a barb. But yeah, not a fun experience. But I do see some smaller fish down deeper in the water column, so I'm going to tie on a little jig head. I'm just going to spot number three and along the same creek. Hopefully I can pull a fish out of here at least. But it's a slow day back. Getting bit. There we go. Yes. Woo. Oh, finally, man. First cast over here. All right, finally got fish number two. Little green sunfish, man. Going about, what is that? About an hour between catches, but I'll take it. Okay, let's see if we can get another. Still have it on the same jig head. Haven't managed to lose it, and since I got my feet wet, I don't know that I will lose it. Well, if I get to some deeper water, I will. Oh, there we go, another. Yes. All right, and another shiner. Let's let this guy go. All small. I'll take it. Oh, all right. Oh. Whew. Pulling them out now. What do we got here? All right, little red breast sunfish. So all the fish appear to be hiding over there in those rocks in the crevices. So let's see if we can just keep casting over there for now and see if we can, yep, a little bit better. Okay, come on. All right. Another green sunfish. Oh, something had it. This might be the best one yet. Whew, pulling them out. And what do we got? Another green sunfish. Still no bluegill. There we go. There we go. Something small. Probably a shiner, maybe. And what do we got? Finally. All right, finally just got a common bluegill, finally. Let's let this guy go. All right, a little deeper pool of water. There we go. Biggest fish of the day. Here we go. What do we got? I believe this is a warmouth, but I don't want to lie. All right, I believe this is a warmouth, but don't want to misidentify it. Beautiful fish though. Let's get him back. You can feel the weight difference on that fish for sure. Again, this one got some fight to it too. Not as big though. Woo! Red breast. There we go, some bigger fish, man. Nice size panfish. Awesome, man, awesome. Well guys, that's gonna do it for the day. I'm actually pretty happy with the results. It's been a while since I've been able to make consistent fishing videos, but I am back now. Hopefully we can get back to 2 videos a week. It all depends on my schedule, but yeah, I'm back for now, and I will catch you on the next one. Take care.